Doula Carolyn here of Barefoot Mama to show you how you can self-apply our organic Ayurvedic spice belly treatment. You'll need a carrier oil to apply your organic spice. We offer 2 organic oil blends. One, in honoring Ayurveda, is a very traditional blend of carrier oils. The other is our organic golden belly serum. Begin by adding your measured out spice to your carrier oil. Organic cold pressed oils have amazing benefits to them. That's what's so lovely about this treatment. It's not only the benefits of the spice, but also the oils as well. Unfold your cover cloth. This is an 18-inch wide by 54-inch long, organic GOTS certified unbleached cotton. The width has a finished edge and the length is 2 frayed natural edge. This versatile length allows for it to fit and accommodate many different body types and forms. So play around with folding and see what fits your body best. When applying your spice and oil mixture to your belly, focus on your womb center. Using the back of the spoon, you're going to want to be more mindful in the gesture of how the spice is applied. When pushing down or out, use very gentle strokes. Instead, focus on pulling upward and into the midline. This encourages the body and the skin organ to rehabilitate coming up and in. Careful on crossing your midline, because once you cross that midline, you could be pushing your skin and abdominal walls back out in an expansive manner instead of encouraging them to come back in and close to reconnect. Your organic cotton cover cloth will naturally stick to your spice and oil treatment, holding it in place. However, reinforcing that hold by tucking your top edge underneath your bra is really useful. Then simply bring down your form-fitting, comfortable shirt, and this too will hold it in place, protecting your shirt and protecting the bind from possibly getting any spice on it. Double check that the base of your cover cloth is not tucked into your bottom apparel, as that will make using the restroom a little bit more challenging. Enjoy the warmth that this gives the skin. Let it seep in and truly recondition it. Through your 12 treatments, you will be naturally hand dyeing your cover cloth with the turmeric, which is in the spice mixture. No need to rinse this beautiful natural dye out. Simply rinse with water because it also serves as your washcloth for removing excess spice possibly left on your skin after the treatment. This is another really lovely mindful moment, encouraging the skin to come up and inwards. As always, thank you and wrap with love.